To understand the taskbar, first understand a task. Any work that we perform on a computer is considered as a task. Can you perform multiple tasks at the same time in a computer? Windows 7 is a multitasking operating system, which means it can help us do multiple tasks at a time. In other words, it helps us run more than one program simultaneously. The taskbar displays all the running applications and programs as icons. It also helps you access many applications and programs in the computer through their icons. The taskbar provides an easy way to switch between multiple programs running on the computer. If number of applications are running and there is not enough space available on the taskbar to keep all the icons, then similar type of icons are grouped together. This here on the taskbar is the Start button. You can access programs and other system utilities using the Start button. When you click on the Start button, the Start menu appears, listing various programs installed on the computer. You can use Control Panel in the Start menu to change various hardware and software settings in your computer. You can also use the Help and Support menu item in the Start menu to get any help you need while working with Windows. With the help of Start menu, you can shut down your computer with a click only. You can also log off from the computer, switch between users, restart the computer, and lock the computer using the Start menu. Let us explore the taskbar towards the right. Here is the system clock, which shows current date and time. When you click on the date and time, it displays a calendar with the clock. The taskbar is really helpful in doing tasks with ease, isn't it?